I'm Kat with RealtorDR, and today I'm going to show you the stunning 3-bedroom villa in one of the most desirable communities on the North Coast, Sosua Ocean Village, Dominican Republic. As you step into the villa, you'll be captivated by the seamless flow of the open floor plan, combining the spacious living, dining, and kitchen area. So come check out my favorite part of the house is the pool with this amazing fountain. With the bar in the DR, you are doing a lot of outside living, which is always amazing for entertaining, having friends over. For more information on this villa, visit us at RealtorDR.com.